With iOS 14, Apple added a new convenient feature which allows users to know when a particular app is using the camera or microphone. The world is becoming privacy centric and it was a very welcome feature. On iOS 14 devices, a orange dot means a particular app is using a microphone, while on the other hand, a green dot above your status bar means a particular app is using a camera. This is a simple and convenient feature for users to know when third-party apps are using their camera and microphone. But what about Android users? Sadly, if you're talking about stock Android, there are no such features available as of now. But third-party skins such as OnePlus Oxygen OS or some other third-party skins do have this feature where a particular notification shows up that a particular XYZ app is using a camera or microphone. But specifically talking about stock Android, users are out of luck. So what can we do here? Don't worry, there is an app on Play Store which allows us to do this. It's simple and very easy to do so. So let's get started on how we can do the same on other Android devices which are out of luck. Stay till the end and know how you can do it.
It's just as simple as installing an app from the Play Store. Once installed, you can set the app for permissions and you are ready to go. Thanks to the GitHub repository by developer Nitish. The app by that developer allows you to do so. First of all, open the link from the description below and download the app from the Play Store. Once the app is downloaded, open it and click on the toggle button and give it accessibility permissions to set the app. Click on Allow Service and click on OK. Now the app is ready to be used and you can change the settings as you want. You can change the indicator location to top center, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, and so on. You can also set it to get a vibration alert when anytime an app is using a camera or microphone. Also, you can set a notification alert which gives you a notification as well along with the dots to know which app is using a camera or microphone. You can customize individual indicators, that is for the camera as well as the microphone. You can change the indicators colors to any choice from the RGB palette. The same can be done for microphone as well. Also, if you want a bigger dot or a slightly smaller dot, you can change the size of the indicator as well from the scale below. So when you are using any app which is requiring to use your microphone or camera, this is how you will be able to see the dots on the corner. Thus, as you can see, we are using the recorder app and we have set red dot for microphone. So as you can see, there is a red dot on the corner which shows that there is an app which is using a microphone. Let's switch and see by changing the positions. Thus, you can change the location to wherever it is convenient for you to look at the dots so that you are always informed when a particular app is using a microphone or camera. So, that's it for the video on how you can get privacy indicated dots from iOS 14 on your Android device. If you have any doubts, you can comment below